How to import reviews from Amazon to Shopify easy and fast. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking in great detail and depth about importing reviews from Amazon to Shopify. So let's get straight into it. Now, to start things off, we're going to go straight ahead into our Shopify. We're going to click on Add Applications and we're going to go into Shopify App Store. Okay. Now, once you go into your Shopify App Store, obviously, we're just going to wait for the App Store to load up. And here in the search apps, you're going to write Amazon reviews. Okay. Now there's two very famous providers on the Shopify App Store. Now you could either go and just search up Amazon reviews, or you can go on Judge.me. Okay, Judge.me is also a very famous review importer, but if you just want to go directly with Amazon, you can go with these providers. Reputon Amazon Reviews, which was built for Shopify, so you can import Amazon reviews and show product reviews and seller feedback. So we're gonna go with this because it's specifically built for Shopify. So obviously it's built by the people of Shopify. So we're gonna click on install, and it creates an Amazon reviews widget that obviously is gonna import all your Amazon reviews. So here we go. So all you're gonna do from here is you're gonna click on install app, and it's gonna install the Amazon reviews app. You're gonna make sure to go ahead and choose whatever Amazon reviews you want to connect to this, and you're pretty much good to go from there. So as you can see, it loads here, and there you are. So yeah, that is how you're going to import reviews from Amazon to Shopify. Simply over here, what you're going to do is you're going to import any type of product or import any type of seller feedback that you have, any link. You can add widgets to your statement and a whole lot more. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.